Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these mouth-watering chicken tikka sandwiches perfect for your Canada Day barbecue. This dish combines our Pakistani and Canadian heritage into one delicious meal. It's the chicken tikka we grew up eating in our Pakistani household mixed with our annual Canada Day barbecue. To learn how to make this dish, please keep watching. Over here, we have the ingredients for the most crucial part of a sandwich, the bread. We're going to be making garlic toast, and for that, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 3 shredded garlic cloves, and 4 slices of bread. For the chicken, I have 2 chicken breasts that I sliced up against the grain, half a packet or 25 grams of packaged tandoori chicken tikka masala, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and half a tablespoon of ginger paste. I also added 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The last component of this dish is the sauce, a spicy mayo. Here I have 3 tablespoons of mayo, 1 teaspoon of chili pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt, which is optional. The first step is to marinate your chicken. Doing this first allows your chicken to absorb all of the spices while you work on the other components of this dish. This step is really simple. Add all of your ingredients into the chicken and mix well. Cover and place the bowl in the fridge for about 30 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, you can start working on your sauce. Again, just add your spices and seasonings into the mayo, mix well, and place in the fridge. Like the chicken, the sauce also needs time in the fridge to make sure all the flavors mix well. Next, you want to start working on your garlic butter. Like everything else in this dish, you just want to put the ingredients together and mix really well. Leave the garlic butter outside to allow it to soften. This will make it easier to spread on the bread when the time comes. After the chicken has been marinated, cook your chicken on the barbecue on medium heat. The pieces of chicken aren't very big, so it doesn't take very long to cook, only about 15 minutes, flipping it halfway. While my chicken was grilling, I started working on my garlic toast. It's really simple. Just spread the garlic butter that you previously prepared onto both sides of your bread. This amount of garlic butter was perfect for 4 slices. The next step is to grill your bread. You can grill it on your barbecue. I grilled it on a pan on my stove. Again, the heat should be set to medium. Once the bread is brown on one side, flip it and let it brown on the other side. At this point, your chicken should be done too, but remember to keep an eye on it as you don't want it to burn. To assemble the sandwich, cut up your favorite vegetables for your sandwich. I like cucumber, onion, and tomato, so that's what I put on these sandwiches. Apply the spicy mayo on 2 pieces of bread, pile on your vegetables and chicken, and voila, you have this delectable chicken tikka sandwich. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, foodies!